What's up everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change this oil pressure sensor. Here is the number, so I'm going to change it in the Mitsubishi Lancer. So when you have this light on, maybe it's because that sensor is bad, so you need to replace it. So first of all, to locate that sensor, we're going to go behind the engine here. I don't know if you can see it. Is that one right here? So yes, we need to take out that cable, and then we are going to access that sensor, and we are going to access that sensor under the car. We just need to lift the car up, and that's it. And we are going to use a 27mm socket, because it's the perfect size for the sensor to take it out. So here under the car you can see the old sensor. With the socket, just we need to get it out. So here's the old pressure sensor, you can see right here, and this is the new one. Now I'm going to put the new one. Okay, and just like that, I have the new one installed. So I just need to put this cable in there. So just like that, we just need to turn on the engine and see if the light go away, and that's it. So that's it for the video of today. I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you on the next video.